Hello, it's Stacey from Stacey's Flower Boutique, and I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on how you prep roses, especially if you're going to put them into bridal bouquets or anything to do with weddings. So when they come in, they will come in with all the foliage on. Usually they'll have lots of thorns. This one's varieties come in and there's no thorns, which is lovely. I love that when that happens, but it's not very often. And this one is a sweet avalanche rose, so you can get different colours in the avalanche. You get white, pink, and they're beautiful large-headed roses, so they're used a lot in wedding work. So when they come in, you want to, if you're getting them ready for bouquets, bridal bouquets, take off all the foliage. So when we're doing wedding work, we always like to have a clean stem. And then around the edge, as you can see, there's some petals that are a bit of a different shade. These are called guard petals, and you want to remove those because they can be a bit unsightly. Might want to take off a couple of the outer petals as well. So there we go. As you can see, it's looking a lot better already. Now, if you're just going to use them in wedding work, like without reflex in them, then you're good to go. You can always turn them upside down and give them a little fluff up as well, which makes them come out even bigger. However, if you want to reflex them, then these ones are just at the right maturity, so you can feel there's a little bit of give in the flower. What I've just done previously is I've just turned them upside down, given them a little shake out, a little blow, and loosen up those petals. And then what you're going to do is you're literally going to place your fingers inside the petal and pop them inside out, just like that. And then keep going around. You'll hear a little click. And you want to get in as close as you can. Be really gentle, otherwise you will bruise your flower. So as gentle as you can. The thing to sort of think about when you're doing these is that if they're for an event, it's great, but the roses are not going to last as long as what they would if you didn't do this. So that's something to sort of keep in mind. Yeah, anytime you're sort of with flowers, you're touching them, playing around with them, you're shortening the life of the flower. So these are really just for show, just for sort of a nice arrangements for like weddings and things like that, because otherwise, yeah, it's not gonna, they're not gonna last. Okay, so there we are. They are beautiful. I mean, imagine loads of those in an arrangement. So you now know how to reflex a rose.